This episode has taken an unexpected turn.
Welcome back to Thrive Off Grid. We're Sarah and Dan.
We've bought land in the Bahamas, and we're on a mission to build an off-grid paradise.
In this episode, we learn firsthand what we were up against because
My parents' house was hit by back-to-back hurricanes.
So we are canceling our schedules and driving down the coast.
Just continue to see so many tornadoes and tornado warnings.
We've got about 200 people searching through this rubbish. But again, we haven't even seen the effects of Hurricane Milton yet.
in just one day, we had our military truck packed full of donations and started driving down the East Coast.
We had been spending our time researching hurricane-resistant structures, and suddenly, we were witnessing the devastation firsthand, making us realize how important this choice really is.
And just when we thought we could kick back and relax for a while, we were faced with our first obstacle.
We got on this highway. It says height restriction for this bridge on our Garmin, 8 feet. So right there, yeah, we're 12 feet. We can see the bridge in the distance, and there's no label or anything. I guess this bridge is gonna be fine. I don't see any trucks. You're right, I don't see any trucks.
Sarah, am I going to clear this bridge?
They would have to have there's gotta be a sign, right? Okay, we're going under this bridge. Tunnel ahead.
All right, so
Okay.
that was a win.
Yeah, so that was a little too close for comfort. So we found an exit, and after going under one bridge and through one tunnel, we said we'll find a way that the Garmin says we can go.
We are on the road, currently in New Jersey, headed to our next stop, Annapolis.
We're going to the boat show, which may seem like, why are you guys stopping in the middle of all of this? But when we were routing our trip, we realized that we're driving right by the show. So we're gonna stop in, get the vibes up, so that we can show up with full cups to go help everybody, because right now we're feeling exhausted.
And I couldn't think of a better way to spread the word about raising money for my parents' community.
Alright, we are pulling into Annapolis, and we're gonna go drive downtown and just, I know there's 0% chance that we're gonna find a parking spot for this truck, but I'm in the mood for 0% chances to work out, so we're gonna see. We're just gonna drive through and see, and if not, we're just gonna wave and then go find a real parking spot. So, this is the boat show. We just found parking literally front row
Oh my god, you guys, this is incredible.
We gotta get on, make sure I can.
Okay. I'll get out. Now, when I tell you guys we got premium parking. We were in Annapolis for less than 24 hours and we got a lot done. Most importantly, this interview with Andy at the Cruisers Awards.
Level of horrific devastation in Florida, and it's happening right now. And these guys decided to jump in a van, travel hundreds of miles across the country, and deliver food, water, supplies, everything the guys need. Yeah.
And I can't think of a better way to get our vibes up than watching two of our friends get engaged. We had a blast at the Cruisers Awards. And before the night was over, we were back on the road.
On the drive, I keep thinking about our home build.
Will seeing the devastation in Florida change our plans?
Building in a hurricane zone isn't easy, but maybe all this is pushing us to build something that can truly stand up to anything.
I came up underneath here, and I see that something has sprayed out and spewed back everywhere. Up in here, you want me to show the camera? Up in here. Hey, Phil. So, something bad happened. Not sure what. Crawled under here when I was pulled over and saw this. Here's the good news. We're at a Love's, and we can probably stay overnight here. I just talked to this guy, Red, at the truck stop maintenance at the garage. He said that he could should check the truck out at 7 a.m. So we have a place to stay here overnight. The dogs have a place to run around. It's a sunny day. But we got peanut butter and jelly.
We're at a Love's. It's a great place. We were stuck, waiting for a mechanic, which could have easily ended our mission, when a trucker happened to pull in, saw us lifting the cab, and asked what was going on.
Next thing we knew, he was pulling out his tools and helping us fix the problem.
It's coming from this top.
Need bolts.
Yeah.
Okay, they may need to get tightened because that gasket right there underneath here
Yeah.
is leaking.
I got it.
Wow.
The system right here,
Yeah?
you have 3 sets of gaskets. One up in the front, one right there in the middle, and this one right here in the back.
Yep.
That's the one that's just seeping.
Okay.
Yep.
We did tighten it down a little bit more.
You did.
Worst case scenario, if it needs to be, it can be popped up and actually probably use the old glue, you know.
Yeah, it'd be good for a little while longer.
Oh, yeah.
And there's angels everywhere, just looking out for you. Just know that. I literally feel like one just popped out of the sky and offered his hand. So, Tom, thank you. Now we're just gonna load up. I'm gonna eat some food. We're gonna get back on the road.
Just like that, you go from thinking your trip is completely over to eating peanut butter jelly sandwiches.
Yeah, you're definitely winning.
Getting back on the road.
Getting back on the road. Oh, yeah.
Woo!
Yeah, we are ready to go now. Back on the road. Feeling good. Ended up being a little cool week. Not too bad. Tightened a couple bolts, and we should definitely be able to get to Florida still.
Yeah, we're still coming, Florida.
Little update, we're in Jacksonville, Florida. We're about 250 miles from Bradenton. We are stopped at a Love's, stopped to get some fuel and do a little check-in. And we are gonna be arriving to where all the damage and devastation was today. So we'll be seeing firsthand what was going on in their neighborhood and community.
Yeah,
That's exactly what we're doing.
we're just really excited to help.
Yes, we'll be there today and we'll update you then.
Made it to Florida.
isn't bad. The inside isn't bad.
Oh, very good.
Ceiling's good. All the laminates out. Drywall needs to come out. Doors, furniture. But other than everything.
All right, well, that was extremely intense.
A lot of damage, a lot of destruction.
I'm honestly in disbelief right now because everyone has been downplaying the destruction, trying to stay positive, but seeing it firsthand, it's devastating. And
this is just in this local community. We haven't been.
We didn't even
over
get
the bridge to the islands.
We didn't even get all the way around the street. It is the first whole day that we are here. We got some totes. We're gonna start packing everything, organizing it by what it is. We've got food, baby supplies, batteries, things for people who don't have power. So each tote's gonna get its own thing. Then a ton of water, and we're gonna bring it to the community center and meet some people and have service.
We are headed to the community center to drop all of the supplies that we brought on.
Our goal is to build a temporary station so we get a food truck out back, serve hot meals here. Even if we got to get a generator, get portable AC for here for right now. That way we have a home base for everybody to come to.
Do you need a generator? We have
I
one.
have a 5,500 watt.
We got it donated.
I mean, if you have it.
We have it. This is what we brought it for.
We do need that.
But once we unload this stuff, we'll go get the generator and bring it right back.
Perfect.
All right. The devastation was intense, but with the donations we had, we were able to get the community center up and running.
Hey, guess what? We got all the meals out.
Yeah!
All those meals are at Valley's, baby.
Heck yeah.
Seeing the community come together reminded us that even the best built home isn't complete without the support of the community around you.
Once the community center was set up, we started on my parents' house. Each board we hammered reminded us of the importance of a well-built structure. A home that is meant to stand up to storms, just like one we wanted for ourselves.
After seeing the destruction in this small neighborhood, I was even more sure that the home we had chosen was the right one.
Through our research, we found that round homes are built to handle hurricane-force winds by minimizing pressure and resistance on the home. And after what we've seen here, we now know we're not just choosing a home, we're also choosing peace of mind for our future.
This journey has taught us so much about resilience, community, and what it truly takes to prepare for the unexpected. Whether it's the home you build or the connections you make, it's all about building something that lasts.
We hope our experience sheds light on why choosing a hurricane-resistant home is essential.
We are excited to share that we've decided to work with Deltec to build our home in the Bahamas.
Their hurricane-resistant, sustainably built homes align perfectly with our vision.
In the next episode, we'll go into the details of why we chose Deltec.
And what goes into making a home hurricane-resistant. See you next time.
See you next time. Also, if you are looking to support us, you can find our apparel on Etsy.
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 Check it out.
Fancy.
Super comfy. In the middle of summer or going into the fall and winter season, we've got it all, baby. Check it out.
See you guys.
Bye.